Advantages and disadvantages of creating a testamentary trust. Planning how your estate is distributed after your passing can be complex. One method that offers both structure and flexibility is a testamentary trust. This type of trust is built directly into your will and only becomes effective upon your death. For New Jersey residents seeking tailored solutions, this approach can be a useful estate planning tool. A testamentary trust is a legal structure created in your last will and testament. It's managed by a trustee who is bound by your instructions and tasked with overseeing distributions to beneficiaries. This trust is especially useful if you're leaving behind a significant life insurance policy or have minor or disabled children. It allows you to ensure that your assets are handled responsibly and according to your wishes. However, it's crucial to consult with a lawyer to create clear, enforceable terms that protect your intentions. A law firm can also guide you through the selection of a trustworthy executor and trustee. This kind of trust provides several advantages. It allows you to control how beneficiaries use their inheritance. For example, you can prevent misuse by someone with poor spending habits or ensure ongoing support for a disabled child. Testamentary trusts may also help reduce estate taxes by using federal and spousal exemptions. They are simple to set up and can be included directly in your will. Costs are generally deferred, often coming from the trust's assets rather than requiring upfront payment. Flexibility is a hallmark benefit. You can design the trust to be as detailed or as simple as needed, which makes it ideal for families with unique needs. Despite its benefits, a testamentary trust comes with some drawbacks. It does not avoid probate in New Jersey. Since the trust is embedded in the will, the entire document must go through the public probate process. Only afterward can the assets be transferred into the trust. Additionally, while setting up the trust might be simple, managing it can involve ongoing expenses and legal requirements. Trustees may be required to report regularly or appear in court, which adds to the cost. There's also the risk of a trustee refusing the role, potentially leaving it to a court-appointed individual. A lawyer can help you avoid these issues by helping you select the right person and setting up comprehensive instructions. A testamentary trust is defined as a trust that is established through a will and activated only upon the testator's death. This means the trust does not exist during your lifetime and cannot be altered or corrected after death. The trust becomes operational only after the will is probated. Once in effect, the trustee manages the assets and follows the instructions laid out in the will. The structure provides ongoing privacy after probate, since court oversight usually ends once the trust is created. But because it's established through a will, the trust's terms and beneficiaries are initially public. To create a testamentary trust, your will must clearly define the trust's terms, including who the trustee and beneficiaries are and how the assets should be distributed. The trustee's role is critical. They manage the trust according to your terms and deal with any legal obligations. You need to be thorough in your instructions, because any gaps or ambiguities cannot be fixed once you're gone. That's why working with an attorney is essential to ensure your trust operates exactly as you intend. Speak with a qualified attorney to understand if a testamentary trust is right for your situation. The right law firm can walk you through each step, from drafting your will to naming a trustee and understanding tax obligations. If you're thinking about securing your legacy and protecting your loved ones' futures, reach out to the Matus Law Group. Call 732-785-4453 or visit us at 125 Half Mile Road No. 201A, Red Bank, New Jersey, 07701, United States, to schedule your consultation today.